Barely a week ago, world leaders and tech billionaires gathered in Beijing. Most people know Elon Musk. Most people know Tim Cook. Almost nobody knew the woman sitting between them. At 16 years old, she earned less than $1 a day polishing watch lenses. 16-hour shifts, endless repetitive work. The kind of life most people assume they can never escape. For most people, the days of school had ended. For Zhou Qunfei, a different education was only beginning. At 22, Zhou Qunfei used $3,000 in savings and turned a cramped apartment where family lived and worked together into the foundation of something much larger. Years later, her company would create glass that ended up in billions of devices around the world. The girl who once earned less than $1 a day was now sitting between Elon Musk and Tim Cook. What rules have you accepted without ever questioning? Read Zhou Qunfei's full story at norulebook.com.